thank you.
Pila ni ka kilo?
Mga 90.
9. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Filipina Bombshell. So for today's video, me and my sister will be heading back to my parents' hometown today. But there will be a twist first because me and my sister will be going to the airport to pick up my two brothers that came from Manila. And then my sister doesn't know about this plan, so it's gonna be a surprise. So I hired a van transport for today's video since I have stuff that we'll be needing to bring to my parents' house, and then we're going to the ICland for today. So keep watching guys and watch the video. Okay, I'm now here at the airport while waiting for my two brothers. My sister is out inside of the van. She doesn't have any idea that it's our brothers, so I'm waiting for them here outside. It takes for a while, huh? Look at this weather, it's very awesome, very nice, sunny weather. Hopefully it will never go rain, but anyway, the sky is really blue, so let's just keep waiting for my brothers. Come on ba?
Uy, nabuang si Alvin.
Uy! Uy!
Uy! Ito yung pa-birthday namin sa'yo.
Hi, Bintan! Miss ako! Happy birthday!
Sabi ko kinabahan na. Thank you, thank you.
Happy birthday!
Tapos parang pinapdar na yan kayong bibig niya. Parang may bin. Bin.
Wala oy na.
Na talaga.
Ano na? Asa mo ng bagahe? Moro na inyong bagahe? Moro to? Okay. Alright.
Kasaman ka ni Ate Ayo. Hindi ka makamayan. Doon.
Okay.
Tara, go inside na.
Let's go.
Padala yung cellphone sa kanila.
Diyan ang bag.
So
I'm here at the ICM Mall in Tagularan. So now here at the home and fashion appliances where I'm about to buy a portable aircon. So I'm going to put it in our living room in my parents' house. It's really hot in there in my parents' house. While waiting for the new stock, I will do a little bit outfit check. So this is what I wear. So unfortunately, they don't have a new stock for this portable aircon. So I got no choice but to just buy this display. So they're trying to install it. So there you go. And so the price for this aircon is 32,268. So it's around Oh, you do the calculation. I'm terrible of numbers. So anyway, while waiting for them to try to install it, I'm gonna show it to you guys in a bit. Brand Asahi. Oh, diba? Oh, now it's also fresh. It's so cool. Guys, nasa pinakataas niya mga busog. 18? 18 or 16? 18 is the highest cooler. Ano? Okay. Okay. Huwag natin siya bitaw.
Shout out.
Shout out. Bantang tayo. There's any problem, I will call you ah.
Hero.
Asa mo na niya
Hello, hello.
Salam, na mo may safety dito. Dano na dito. Aga sa surprise dito po. Thank you kasi. Mayit man ko na. Mayit na. Mayit na lang karton. Oh, kasod eh. Wala surprise. Wala naman mo di manubak pag kanon ay. Reklamo. Lablaba mi. Lablaba mi.
Kami man na surprise.
Surprise nga, nasa box ng karton eh. Mamaya, surprise. Doon din ako, dili isang dako pa.
Sige ko surprise pe. Paminaw no na mas na-excite pa ka.
Ito muna din na duloy.
Mura mag na surprise ka na naay dalit pe.
Meron tayong popcorn. Joy? Das na yun. Uli. Gapon naman ko ni Uli. Ay, Clara.
Ayos sa daw saba.
Naanak na yun, Toy.
Ito. Mas early na. Long time no see.
So instead, she needs to be surprised. We get surprise
Hi,
of her
guys.
appearance. Wala gani ko ni-reply nimo kaya arong ma-organize nga ma-surprise ka. So,
Buang
kung
na.
Kami
knowing
na
surprise na mo.
surprise kasi gawas lagi ka guys dito.
I'm prepared. Let's go. And then I have to check for the little chicken in that corner there. That's the name of Pacifica Agrivet Supplies. There's a little chicks in there and I have a budget for like 500 pesos for 10 bucks for the little chicks. So let's go. We are preparing for his coming birthday. Tamir, ayaw panutok ka. Bilat. Panguan eh. Panguan lagi. Ala, wala naman ni ay kuan.
Right.
Dagko na lagi siya karon no. Kuya, dagko na lagi karon no.
Maot man ka. Lain lagi ya.
Pana.
Ha? Basin kuan niya, daot ni. Ay. Nahagong. No. This one. Ala. Ala, maot man ka. Balik.
Paliboy lang kuan.
No.
Ala, hagong. Nainan.
Nanay, baliboy lang pako.
No.
Dako na siya.
Yan sa taas o dako na. Ano?
Ulo ikaw rin nakuha eh.
11 little chicks, guys. 11 little chicks for 11 siblings of our family. Let's go. Pase, Bibi. Leila, I love you. Wala si Titi. Oh, my brother. Oh my God. We're gonna go see grandma and grandpa. Let's go.
Hi.
Abri, dayon kay gihaw na kuntiil. Oh, come on. Hi.
Mama?
Tadtol.
Namalagi sila. Nangunay namalagi sila. Hala, si Mayet?
Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day, Papa! Pagsalina ba? Ngano wamang kasalina? Ngano wamang kasalina? Hi, Mama! Hi!
Asa na si Mayet? Iyan mo. Uli si Mayet.
Nadi ay! Basaha man eh! This is our home aboard! Abuan! Isa na bata! Isa na bata!
Okay lang. Sawa undoy.
Pagi mo, Ben, wa?
Kato lang pere nang utang pa.
Ako, sige ka, sige ka. Na-surprise ka? Na-early gift man ang iyong birthday. Hoy! Ang iyong birthday kay ugma pa man. Asa mong kaay? Makuha siya sa iyong lipon. Makuha siya sa iyong lipon. Muhilak di ay. Muhilak di ay. Terian, terian, terian. Nawala si Mama. Nahilak mo si Mama.
Ingin ko kayo na kung si Mayet. Kung nakakalis si Mayet, kung ganun gabang yung sinandan.
Ma, unsay tanahan ni mo ni Eben, ma? Tanawa ang naong ni Eben.
Ano man, right?
Wa ka kaila?
Natambok na siya. Natambok na.
Nalambot na ni si Eben. Mula na naong ni Dudong. Nalingin. Nilingin. Laya!
Iya, please iya.
Laya! Oy, Dad!
Iya, akong ipakilala. Akong pamilya.
Hoy, na-surprise ko po kanina. Someone is crying. Someone is crying. She got surprised. Mama is crying. Tearing eye. Papa. Someone is crying. Very dramatic family. Very dramatic family. Is crying. Crying po ka. Wala, no cry. No cry.
Si Mayet. Ano ko? Wala sa atin. Mayet mo yung gabuon. Kung sa ingin ko karoon na ito, si Mayet mo ulit.
Adlak. Oy, imo ng senior.
Liwat mo undoy.
Oh, undoy. Undoy na siya.
Liwat unday no.
Bright ka ba ng bata ah? Bright.
It's so hot.
Isa ka salita mo. O bunsa pa lang abot siguro.
Nanay ngipon. Gani away ngipon. Earlier there's no tit now they have a tit na. Baliktad ba dyan? Upside t-shirt. Upside t-shirt. Agad, di ba? Wala malipag yan.
Bandit, ano? Sadya na sa picture.
Surprise na ako. Nakapayabot ko. Uban na lang kulan. Kasi mo sika lang. Uy, siya lagi na mo. Shell. Wow. Shell. Mao dyan sa kuan ba?
Like
Kadlo ka man.
they are surprised. They like it.
Wow.
They think I look like the mother of Manny Pacquiao. Ella, did you take care of van, daycare or a van to go there? I took a van, Cucho Pilato, because we are a lot. My two brothers, my one sister, my one in-law, plus my other one sister, and me, and the kids. So it's just perfect that I took a van.
Laugan.
Unsa may imong kasturya?
Ha?
Unsa may imong kasturya?
Salamat.
Kisa may gatag na?
Ha?
Kisa gatag?
Eting.
Ah.
Salamat, eting.
Ipapila ka buok. Ipapila ka buok.
Okay, malupad na. Maagunting na.
Ano yatag sa ulo na?
Pila ni ka kilo?
Mga 90.
90 kilo of the pig. The pig is 90 kilo, guys. That's my brother, Tito. Wow, that's big one. Where the rest? Asa maguban to? Oh, nandito na? Wow. Asa mo nang pang-lechon belly?
Pag-lechon mo kasi
Oh, wala na lechon belly.
Ang mga kasasala, mga paghinusulan nila sa ilang mga salaan na kuno yun man sa inyo sa
Blue now. Blue the candle. Blue it. Blue. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow it. Blow. Hello everyone. So we already done with our 3 years death anniversary of my grandma. So everyone is busy. So that's the one who lead for the prayer. And everyone, the boys in here is chopping the meat. It's 90 kilo of the pork meat, and while they're also drinking alcohol in there. That's handy wine, rum. So yes, and that's for the rest of the video for today. So we'll be preparing for tomorrow for my father's 83rd birthday. So I'll see you again, guys, for tomorrow's video. Enjoy your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.